OMG's just pick up my friend.
Vlogging?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Right now we're at Korean barbecue before the fireworks show with my pals. Fizzle. I hate my life. Oh my gosh. She's like trying to cry and laugh. I hate my life. It's just so rough. We gotta do what we gotta do. We don't want to pay for no extra. Here we go. Me right now. Right here. Right now. Looking at you in my heart. Are a true friend. You're here till the end. This is Michelle.
Okay, this is Michelle, guys. It's very dark.
Now I'm officially signing out.
She's officially signing out with who?
Gang gang. With Alyssa.
Alright, bye guys.
Bye. Thank you.
So fun. Bye. Love you.
Love you, Jill.
Okay. Alright, guys. I'm here with Leo. You guys cannot see him. But Leo is gonna go to my house right now. Say hi, Chingu. Okay. He's gonna go to my house, so catch us there. Okay, bye. So Leo's at my house right now, and we're just going to. I don't know what we're
Are you gonna feed me noodles?
Yes, I'm gonna feed you.
Yeah, so right now I'm at home and I'm gonna go make noodles for Leo, and my parents aren't home yet, so I'm just gonna get this. I'll show you how you guys make some bomb ass noodles. All right, nice. Making noodles with Jill 101. Okay, I gotta get some water.
What's your Wi-Fi though?
It's the X5441.
Okay, here we'll put the password. You just have the minivan?
Yeah. What the fuck? A deck 1, 2, 3. Loki, just go look at my back of the thing. It's a deck. Oh, fine. Let me go cook your noodles first. Okay, hold up. You gotta open up.
Is it even on yet?
Oh, yes. Put it on.
Wait, what does it come with? The sauce?
Yeah.
What's the sauce? It's just one, right?
Huh? You want 2, bitch?
Oh yeah.
This is a spicy
yes.
one.
This is you put all this shit in
Yeah.
last time.
I'll make you 2, okay?
Okay, can you get 2 spine? Here. Fucking hurry, ugly rat.
Wait, bitch. Alright, so I'm gonna make another pack for Leo.
Yeah, I'm still waiting for my fucking Wi-Fi password.
And no one's home, so yeah, everyone ate out of there. And Leo's eating the rest of my food. Alright, so I'm gonna be back. I made the noodles. Leo.
Can you just make the noodles, please?
Okay, so we're gonna put these packets inside there, and I only have 1%, so this is it. Alright, finished product. We're shaking it. Say bye.
Peace. Are you having fun? Yeah.
Leo's going.
Okay, bye. Have a good night.
Oh, yeah, good night.
Bye. You too.
Come on, Leo. I am currently dropping Leo to his car.
What's the water? We out.
We out.
So
What time is it? It's
I
like
have no. It's like 11:30 to be honest.
it's 11:30 and
Yeah, it's
we
like
freaking parked her in front of this cop's house. Farewell, friends. Bye, Chingu. Have a safe drive. Bye bye.
You're so ugly. My name is. Bye.
Oh, you're just so. Stop